I made this soup with 20,000 naira. The cost of living is becoming too high and things are just skyrocketing. Let me show you what I bought with 20,000 naira. I bought this cow head for 5,000 naira, the fish for 5,000 naira. Then here I have fish. The fish I just added now, I bought it for 3,000 naira, while the stockfish I'm adding, I bought it for 2,000 naira. And here I added onions. I bought these onions for 200 naira. I have pepper at home, so I used the pepper I had at home. I added salt, then added seasoning. I had seasoning at home as well. So after adding the seasoning, I will stir and combine everything together. I'll cover at this point and allow it to cook with its own juice for 10 minutes before I introduce a little bit of water to cook until it's 70% done. Let me also point it out here that the cow head was already pre-cooked. And here everything was ready. I will remove the fish so it does not break apart. After removing the fish, I added more pepper because I love my soup spicy. Add pepper to the way you can thoroughly. Okay, after adding the pepper, I added crayfish, covered and allow it to simmer for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'll be adding periwinkle. This periwinkle, I bought it for 700 naira. After adding the periwinkle, you stir to combine and cover for it to cook. I hope at this time you're recording how much we've spent so far, right? Here I opened the pot. It's time to add oil. I also had oil at home. I added oil, added more crayfish, and then I will stir together, cover and allow it to steam cook again for 5 minutes. At this point, I'll reintroduce the fish I removed earlier. I will also remove the head of the fish after everything has simmered together because I don't want too many bone in the soup. If you're new here, you're welcome. And if you're my old subscriber, thank you for coming back. And if this is the first time you're seeing this channel, kindly do well to subscribe, turn on your bell notification so you get notified each time we post a new video. Thank you. At this point, it's time to add the water leaf. I bought this water leaf for 1,000 naira. And then I washed, cut it thinly as you can see, and I will add it to the pots. Stir together to combine or cover and allow it to wilt a little bit before you stir. I also want to use this opportunity to thank everyone that subscribed to this channel. We are family here, right? And we are way above 400 subscribers here. We are growing bit by bit and I'm liking the process. Thank you for sharing, for commenting, for liking, just for your support. I appreciate it. I covered the water leaf and allowed it to cook down a little bit. And after that, I'll be introducing more crayfish. Like I used to say, be generous with your crayfish each time you're making Nigerian soups. That will enable it to have a good taste. After adding the crayfish, I will stir properly to combine and it will be time to take the vegetable. For the vegetable, I bought it for 1,200 naira. After adding the vegetable, I will stir and then I'll introduce a bit more of onions. If you don't like onions, you can skip it, but I like it, yeah. I added it here. So how much have we spent so far at this point? Let me hear in the comment section, and also tell me if you love vegetable soup. I also want to appreciate Kang Chang Vlog Kitchen. Thank you for liking our recipes. We appreciate it. Another virtual hug goes to Ndifo Eunice Tala, watching from Cameroon. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for liking our recipes. God bless you. Now, after adding your vegetable, is either you stir, cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes, or you keep stirring for 3 minutes without covering. After 3 minutes, the soup will be ready. You can pair with any swallow of choice. You can as well pair with white rice, and I bet you that it will come out very nice. Okay, let me hear in the comment section what you think will be the best match for the soup. What swallow will you be pairing this soup with? At this point, the soup is ready. Thank you for watching. Till I see you in my next one, do have a pleasant day. Bye bye.